Welcome to this introduction to Solana, one of the most innovative high-performance blockchains in the Layer 1 ecosystem. Solana has gained significant attention for its ability to process transactions at incredible speeds while keeping costs remarkably low. Throughout this video, we'll explore what makes Solana unique, how its revolutionary technology works, and why it has become a popular choice for developers building decentralized applications. Solana is a high-performance Layer 1 blockchain platform specifically designed for decentralized applications and cryptocurrency transactions. Unlike traditional blockchains that struggle with speed and cost, Solana combines industry-leading transaction processing speed with minimal fees. The platform offers ultra-fast transaction processing, ensuring that users experience near-instant confirmations. Transaction fees on Solana are extremely low, making it accessible for everyday users and enabling use cases that require frequent transactions. The network is globally distributed across thousands of validator nodes, ensuring decentralization and security. Additionally, Solana provides a developer-friendly ecosystem with extensive tools, documentation, and support for building applications. Solana stands out in the blockchain space due to several key features. First, its blazing speed allows the network to process over 65,000 transactions per second with sub-second finality, meaning transactions are confirmed almost instantly. Second, Solana offers minimal costs with an average transaction fee of just 25 hundredths of a cent, making it one of the most affordable blockchains available. Third, Solana's revolutionary proof of history mechanism acts as a cryptographic clock that timestamps transactions before consensus, significantly reducing the time needed for validators to agree on transaction order. Finally, Solana's parallel processing capability allows smart contracts to execute simultaneously using the Sealevel Runtime, unlike traditional blockchains that process transactions sequentially. Proof of history, abbreviated as POH, is Solana's core innovation and the secret behind its incredible speed. Proof of history is a cryptographic technique that creates a verifiable timestamp for each transaction, establishing the order of events without requiring validators to communicate with each other constantly. Here's how it works. First, Solana uses the SH256 hash function repeatedly to create a sequential record of events. Each hash output becomes the input for the next hash, creating an unbreakable chain of cryptographic proofs. This means that transactions are timestamped and ordered before consensus takes place, drastically reducing latency. By providing a historical record that proves an event occurred at a specific moment in time, proof of history eliminates the need for validators to spend time coordinating on transaction ordering. Solana uses a hybrid consensus model that combines proof of history with proof of stake to achieve both speed and security. Proof of history creates cryptographic timestamps to establish transaction order and timing, essentially providing a reliable clock for the network. This allows the blockchain to order events efficiently without constant communication between validators. On the other hand, proof of stake, abbreviated as POS, is where validators stake SOL tokens to secure the network and validate transactions. This ensures the blockchain remains secure and decentralized. Together, these two mechanisms work in harmony. Proof of history provides the clock that keeps everything synchronized, while proof of stake provides the security that keeps the network trustworthy. This combination enables Solana to achieve unprecedented speed without compromising on security or decentralization. Let's look at Solana's impressive performance metrics that set it apart from other blockchains. The network can theoretically process over 65,000 transactions per second, a figure that far exceeds most competing platforms. The average transaction fee is approximately 25 hundredths of a cent, which is truly a fraction of a penny, making Solana accessible for microtransactions and high-frequency operations. Solana's block time is just 400 milliseconds, meaning new blocks are created roughly every half second, providing near-instant finality for transactions. Finally, the network is secured by over 1,900 validator nodes distributed globally, ensuring robust decentralization and network resilience. These metrics demonstrate why Solana is considered one of the fastest and most cost-effective blockchain platforms available today. Sealevel is another groundbreaking innovation that makes Solana unique. It is the world's first parallel smart contract runtime, enabling a fundamentally different approach to transaction processing. In traditional blockchains, transactions are processed one at a time in a single-threaded manner, creating bottlenecks and limiting throughput. However, Solana's Sealevel approach executes non-overlapping transactions in parallel across all available processor cores. This means that thousands of smart contracts can run simultaneously, dramatically increasing the network's overall throughput. By intelligently identifying which transactions don't conflict with each other, Sealevel can process them concurrently, making full use of modern multi-core processors. This parallel processing capability is a key reason why Solana can achieve such high transaction speeds. Beyond proof of history and Sealevel, Solana incorporates several additional core innovations. Turbine is a block propagation protocol that breaks data into smaller packets for efficient transmission across the network, reducing bandwidth requirements and speeding up data distribution. Tower BFT is a proof of history-optimized consensus algorithm that uses the cryptographic clock to reduce messaging overhead between validators, making consensus faster and more efficient. Gulfstream is a mempool-less transaction forwarding system that pushes transactions to validators ahead of time, allowing them to begin processing before the previous block is even finalized. Finally, Cloudbreak is a horizontally scaled state architecture that enables concurrent reads and writes to the blockchain state, further improving performance. Together, these innovations create a highly optimized blockchain architecture. Solana's high performance and low costs make it ideal for a wide range of applications. In the DeFi space, Solana powers decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, and yield farming platforms with instant trades and minimal fees, providing users with an experience comparable to centralized exchanges. For NFT marketplaces, Solana enables high-volume NFT minting and trading with fast confirmations and low costs per transaction, making it attractive for creators and collectors alike. In Web3 gaming, Solana's sub-second transaction finality enables real-time blockchain gaming experiences where in-game actions are recorded on-chain without noticeable lag. For payments, Solana offers global payment solutions with near-instant settlement and the ability to support microtransactions that would be economically unfeasible on higher-fee blockchains. Solana offers several key advantages that make it an attractive platform for developers and users. First, scalability. Solana handles massive throughput without sacrificing decentralization, ensuring the network can grow to support millions of users. Second, cost efficiency. The extremely low transaction fees enable microtransactions and high-frequency operations that simply aren't viable on more expensive blockchains. Third, security. Solana's proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, combined with a robust validator network, ensures the blockchain remains secure against attacks. Fourth, developer experience. Solana provides rich tooling, software development kits, and growing ecosystem support, making it easier for developers to build and deploy applications. Fifth, energy efficiency. The proof-of-stake mechanism uses minimal energy compared to proof-of-work chains, making Solana more environmentally sustainable. Finally, composability. Seamless integration between decentralized applications and protocols allows developers to build on top of existing infrastructure. Solana hosts a thriving ecosystem of decentralized applications, protocols, and developer tools that leverage its high-performance infrastructure. The platform supports over 1,000 active projects spanning DeFi, NFTs, gaming, payments, and more. The developer community is growing rapidly, with thousands of developers contributing to the ecosystem and building innovative applications. Integration support is expanding continuously, with new bridges, wallets, and infrastructure providers joining the network regularly. This vibrant ecosystem creates network effects where each new project adds value to the entire platform, attracting more developers and users in a positive feedback loop. The combination of technical performance and ecosystem growth positions Solana as a major player in the blockchain space. To summarize, Solana is a high-performance blockchain capable of processing over 65,000 transactions per second with sub-second finality, making it one of the fastest blockchains available. It is powered by proof of history, an innovative cryptographic technique for efficient transaction ordering that eliminates coordination overhead. Solana offers ultra-low fees averaging 0.25 of a cent per transaction, making blockchain technology accessible for everyday use. The platform is ideal for DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and high-frequency applications that require speed and affordability. In essence, Solana delivers a combination of speed, scalability, and affordability that makes it a compelling choice for the next generation of decentralized applications. Thank you for watching this introduction to Solana.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.